Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Facebook Pixel or Metapixel on a Wix website in 2026, step by step. So you can track visitors, run ads, and improve conversions. Let's get started. Step 1, create your pixel or Facebook Pixel. So go ahead to Facebook Ads Manager. On the side panel, you're gonna see Event Manager, right? Here. On the side panel, just click Event Manager, and inside what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit Connect Data Sources, and you're gonna choose Web, right, and then Metapixel, and click Create a Pixel. And in my case, I cannot create, or I cannot move on, right? They say you can only create one data set per account, right? But if you're allowed, you can just go ahead and click Web and can hit Continue and select Metapixel and click Create a Pixel. Enter your pixel name and website URL. Now your pixel is ready. Next, copy your pixel ID. After creating your pixel, you will get a pixel ID, a number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Copy this. You will need it in Wix. Now, open the dashboard, or open your Wix dashboard and go to Settings. Right? Let me find Settings. Right, let me go ahead and inside the dashboard. Okay, I'm gonna find Settings here. Let me let it load up. Not that kind of settings. Yeah, here. Settings on the side panel. Now connect the pixel. Find marketing integration. Right, so let me type marketing integrations. Inside, what we're gonna do, we're gonna find Facebook Pixel or Metapixel. Right, so we're gonna go ahead and hit Metapixel. What we're gonna do, we need to upgrade, of course, first in order to connect the pixel. All I gotta do is just hit connect to Facebook, paste your pixel ID and click save. Wix automatically installs the pixel on your site. And now what you're gonna do, you can just go ahead and publish your website. After adding the pixel, you could just go ahead and hit publish, right? Changes won't apply unless your site is published. Step 6, verify pixel is working. Check if everything works, right? You can install the browser extension or Meta. Let me type here, Meta Pixel Helper, right? And install the extension so you can visit your site and see if Pixel fires, right? You can set up events, which is optional. Events track actions like page views, add to cart purchases, form submissions, and inside Wix, you can go ahead to marketing integrations and configure event tracking. This helps you optimize track ads, or optimize ads, excuse me. And now your pixel is ready for ads. Inside Facebook Ads Manager, let me go back. All right, you could go ahead and create campaigns, use your pixel for tracking, retarget visitors. This is how you turn traffic into sales, right? For better tracking, enable advanced matching in pixel settings. This improves audience accuracy, conversion tracking. And test before running ads. Before spending money, visit your site, trigger events, click form, etc. Check if pixel tracks them. Always test them. So avoid forgetting to publish your website, wrong pixel ID, not testing events, ignoring event tracking, or running ads without pixel. So to rewind everything, create a pixel in Facebook Ad Manager, copy pixel ID afterwards, add it to Wix after you publish your website, right? And then publish site and test tracking. Done, right? Installing Facebook Pixel on Wix in 2026 is simple, but powerful. It allows you to track visitors, optimize ads, and scale your business effectively. Focus on correct setup, event tracking, testing before ads. That's how you get real results. So, if you found this video helpful, subscribe, share, like this video, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Share with a friend that you think might help them. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the upcoming videos. Peace.